Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Pinterest widget not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how we can go ahead and solve this issue. So I'm going to start with the most common ways. So the first way, we need to go ahead and go to our Play or App Store and then search for Pinterest. Then click onto Pinterest. Make sure the Pinterest app is up to date, because outdated versions can break those widgets. So yeah, just make sure it's up to date. If it says open and you're still having issues, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. So now the next fix is to go ahead and get into app data in Pinterest. So click and hold down the app, click onto I. It's going to get us into app info. Scroll down, click into storage, and then we want to go ahead and clear the cache. Next fix is to go ahead and allow app permissions. So click and hold down the app again, click into I, and now where it says permissions, we need to make sure that we got all these camera, contacts, location, microphone, notifications, photo and video enabled. So to do this, we've got to go one by one. So click into it, allow while using the app, and now that's going to be allowed. Go to contacts, click allow, and just go through these one by one and make sure these are all allowed inside of your permissions. Next fix is to go ahead and click into settings. Now, once we're inside settings, we want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and we need to click onto software update. Make sure we've got the latest software update downloaded and installed. Now, if you're on iOS, you want to go to settings, general, then go to background app refresh and turn that on. We need to enable background app refresh data. And also, while I'm in here on Android, we need to go to settings and then click into apps. So where's apps here? Here it is here. So click into apps and then find Pinterest. So click into Pinterest. Now we need to find mobile data. So click onto mobile data. And then where are we? Enable background data. So yeah, allow background data usage. Make sure that is on. And also we need to have a strong internet connection. So widgets rely on live data. So just basically ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch over to mobile data or vice versa to test. Now, if all else fails, go ahead and uninstall your Pinterest app. So by clicking on it, click on uninstall and re-downloading it from your Play or App Store, restart your device.